What is up, everyone? It is Morgan. It's about 7:30 in the morning and we just got to the flat. We are gonna be bone fishing today. Like always, I've got my boyfriend Jake with me, and then today we've got our good friend Ricky visiting, and the target today is bonefish. We're gonna be fly fishing and we are at this amazing flat, nice sandy bottom. We are gonna be wading on foot and hopefully we catch a bonefish. Starfish. Okay, we haven't seen a fish yet, but we have high hopes because the flats are looking so beautiful today. So it's just a matter of time before a bonefish crosses our path. And while we were fishing and running the boat along the shore, we came across all these concrete structures that, rumor has it, used to be an old movie set that held dolphins for the movie Day of the Dolphin. So we've got our shoes and we're gonna go on land and we're gonna explore these. Apparently they were old holding tanks for the dolphins. Here she is from the front, and look at the beautiful view the dolphin had. It's also kind of sad to think about that the dolphin was entrapped in this little enclosure right next to the vast ocean. But luckily there's no dolphin left in there, and word has it that he was roaming out in the ocean afterward. Okay, let's see. I wonder if we can get inside. Oh, whoa, there's water inside.
It connects to that other one.
Really?
I think they probably kept the dolphin in there. I also heard that after they filmed this, they released the dolphin and he just like hung out here and then went between all the islands and like would look at people and stuff.
What do you think, Ricky? Do you think a dolphin was held in here?
Looks like it.
I don't know who would make a circular building with pipes that run through the walls, and these were windows. That looks like something that they like water was filtering through there. Like, you know how in hot tubs they have the thing? Yeah. That's what that looks like.
Are you gonna go swimming?
No.
I bet you this has so many mosquito larvae inside.
Oh, there's so many diseases in here.
Ricky, do you wanna go swim?
No, thank you. This looks like it was, what, in the 80s maybe?
Yeah,
80s?
I think it was the 70s.
Oh, no shit.
But yeah.
Wow, how cool. I wonder what's inside that tank. Do you think that he would swim through the little passageway and go from tank to tank?
Probably, like if they were changing the water in this tank or something.
Yeah, you can even see silicone on the seams from where there was once either like a mirror or a window. How cool. Monkey Man is trying to get us a better viewing spot. Wow, you did that surprisingly fast.
All right, hand it to me.
Okay, it's rolling. Ugh. How's it look from up there?
Like a dolphin tank.
Show us inside that tank.
Whoa.
What's in there?
It's just like a really deep tank, and there's like some plumbing in there.
Is there water in it?
No.
Wow.
I'm jumping into the tank. Just kidding.
Whoa! Hello.
Wow, that's like old plumbing right there. Yeah, you can see like those cutouts in the wall have pipe in them still, where it was coming out.
Yeah, I see it. Right there. Okay, that was a fun detour, but back to fishing.
Little cutie.
Oh my god.
Well, we weren't skunked today.
Whoa, he's pretty.
Today we have at least caught ourselves a junker fish. This is a nice schoolmaster snapper.
I'm going into the junker. Oh, it's a jack. We got the junker slam in 5 seconds.
Nice. Jake's got...
Oh, I caught the one with the hole in his back.
Now Jake's got himself a little fish.
Whoa, cool.
Let's see the hole in his back. You think someone tried to shoot him?
I think someone tried to eat him.
Like a fish or a person? Wow, look at the hole in
Maybe
his
someone
back.
did try to shoot him.
Baby horse eye. Goodbye. Okay, Ricky is casting at a bonefish right now. What was that? Okay, it wasn't a bonefish, it was a jack, a baby jack. I'm manning the boat right now, just making sure it doesn't float away. He's got him? Ah! Ricky got a bonefish! Woo! How exciting! Okay, bringing another rod and my phone. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay, mission success. We have officially secured ourselves a bonefish. Now we just need to land him. Good job, Ricky.
Thank you.
Look at him go.
The first thing Rick took, I think, might have been a tiny cutie, and he threw it out of the Let's go like.
Okay. Oh, I'm sinking so bad.
I know, right? It's not easy.
Good job, Ricky.
Thank you.
Woo! Oh my gosh, Jake just doubled up. We've got 2 bonefish on at the same time right now. How exciting.
Yeah, right.
Ricky's trying to wrestle his fish over here. Do you need an assist?
Would love one.
Okay. Okay, this is a nice one, Ricky.
Yeah.
Okay.
I might go.
It's got a nice one.
Yeah. Oh, this.
God damn.
He might not. He might want to run a little bit more.
I need my backpack.
Good job. That's a nice one, Ricky.
Thank you. What a rush.
Woo! There we go. 2 bonefish. Good job, boys, on the double. Nice catch and release. Ricky got himself a nice bonefish today. That's what, like a 4-pound one?
Here he goes. Oh, he went right into the mud. There it goes.
Bye, buddy.
Nice.
Nice
We did
one.
it. Okay, Morgan, it's your turn.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Okay,
High five.
let's go do this before. This puffer, he's just sleeping. I could probably grab him.
Amongst all her footprints.
There he goes.
Goodbye.
The GoPro's freaking out. Here we go. It's very muddy in here.
We're about to sink so deep.
Perfect. Let it sink. Strip. You got him. You're gonna get him right now. Strip. 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 Yeah.
Got one, Ricky.
Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. There you go.
Yay!
Wow. Great cast. Great feed. That was so cool.
I was worried that it was going to be over top of him.
That was perfect.
Right on his head.
Right in the spot you needed to put it in.
Yay! He's running. He's just backing.
Do you get him?
Yeah, look. I'm walking my dog.
Careful, careful, careful. Keep away from those mangroves.
Yeah, he's right here.
Walk, you can get up on the, you have your shoes on or no?
Yeah.
Okay. The rocks are easy.
Okay.
Recording.
Come here.
Nice fish. It's a good one.
Yay! Here's our beautiful bonefish. Each of us caught a bonefish so far today. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Yay!
Cool. Then do one like head on to me.
Hey, there he goes.
Good guy.
Yay!
Fuck yeah!
Each of us caught a fish. That was so exciting. Jake and Ricky both caught one at the same time. We doubled up. They definitely made us work for it. We've been out here fishing for a couple of hours, but perseverance paid off. This flat that we are on right now, the ground is not super forgiving, so we're sinking all the way up to our waist. This flat treated us good. We got 3 fish off one singular flat, and we've explored about half a dozen this morning. So it's funny how that works out. But the hard work paid off. So happy we got those fish. What an epic morning. We are now back in the canal, almost back to the house just before lunchtime. Seeing that dolphin movie set was so cool, but not as cool as Jake and Ricky doubling up on those bonefish. And then thankfully I was also able to get one. So this was such a successful morning. Thank you guys so much for watching along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.